turning this back on. It's tangled. Wait. What the hell? Dude, he just missed it. I forgot to say, that's Brandon right there. We're on the boat right now. And check out this giant ass gar. This thing is like a 10-pound gar right here. It's just dead. It's ew. Dude, it's like a rock. That's crazy. We've seen like 2 dead gars so far. And I think there's more out there. There's a lot of gar splashing around. I can't tell if they're, I don't know what they're doing. Probably just dicking around or something. But we tried catching them with poppers and stuff, but nothing works. So we're just exploring right now and hoping to catch some fish. Guys, there's so many fish blowing up. We can't hook into a single one because we're ass. I don't understand braid, bro. The current here is pretty strong. Oh my god. Yo, I think this spot's lit. Let's go to the spot. Let's go to the spot. Oh. There. Oh shit. That was so late, dude. So late. Yeah, I know, cause I was trying to make sure you don't fly away from me. Yeah, I just got a bite. All right, guys, we're at spot number 3, I think. Never been here, but we're seeing a lot of fish blowing up, so trying to make the best of it right now. There we go, there we go. Come on, come on. Ooh, it's like a 2-pounder. Let's go, baby. Dude, that was first cast. I didn't see it. I wasn't looking.
Dang, this is cool, guys.
What? Wait, was it a 2-pounder? Is it bigger? Oh. What the? Yo! Wait, what? What is going on?
Dude, that's literally like a 5-6 pounder.
Wait, what? I didn't see it clearly or something. What the heck?
Were you recording when it blew?
No. It just sucked it under.
Ooh, that's it. Dude.
What?
It's a monster.
It's a monster? Holy. Dude, I can't bring it in. Oh, he's a little funny hook. He's a 4-pounder. That's a 4.5 or something. Wait, that's kind of big.
That's kind of big.
How did he hook himself there? Come on. Wait, I have 8-pound leader. No! That was like, I'm gonna say that was like a 4.5 or something.
Yeah, that was definitely at least.
Dude, that was huge. That was a crazy fight. That was mishandling on my part. Damn. The main objective of our video today is to catch hogs, and obviously that can be done here. Whew. I'm gonna get your hooks in on camera. We think he's on. You're definitely on. Why didn't you hook step, bro? Yeah, baby. Let's go.
It's a small one.
Small? Ooh. Hey, that's not small. That's like almost 3. 2.5 probably, or 2 3/4. Yeah, it's because you waited so long. You got hooked him. Dude, don't they fight hard here?
Yeah.
They fight so hard. These fish are way too healthy.
So how do you undo the hook?
Here, let me get this casting. Just let him breathe in the water for a little bit.
Whatever.
Oh my god.
It just killed me.
Oh. What the heck? Dude, that was so wild. You feel the machine?
It's like tap.
It might be perch. Now that I think about it. I just had a fish down. What? Israel? Israel's so nice, dude. Have you used it? It's so smooth. It's like butter. You should try using it later. You can use it right now if you want. Recording. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, dude, that's a jumbo perch. Dude, that thing's huge.
dude, he just swallowed it.
Dude, that perch is monster. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Dude, that was some quick math right there. Yo, that was actually quick math. Dude. Oh, that scared me. Whew. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that worked. Huh? No, I was like thinking, I was like, oh, oh thank God. Yo, watch this. Freaking. That was first cast. Oh, these fish are so freaking. Ah, oh my popper. Yeah, you want to use it? It's first cast. Boom, baby. Oh, he's still here. Oh, I just kicked him. Where'd he go? Is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. I think it's fish. There we go. Woo! Dude, these fish fight like smallmouth. Dude, you guys can see him fighting. That's so cool. Woo! Oh my gosh. All right, buddy. Dude, look how far the crawl went up the line. They're just so wild. Ah! That's gonna rip up my thumb a bit. Ooh! Dude, I love these fish. Oh! That was a bass. I saw it.
Is it actually bass?
It was a bass. It was so big. Like, I literally cast it out. I'm not doing anything. It's just going down. And as soon as the moment I jig it, that's when I feel it on. Yeah, it's a tube bait. You use it for smallies usually. Yeah, let's go. Nah, it's a dink. It's just they fight so dang hard. It's so crazy. Hello. Oh! Yeah, they're so fast. Dude, what am I doing? Why am I fighting this on bait casting gear? Oh! I need to put on the spinning gear real quick. Open your mouth, bro. There we go. Dude, they're so heavy. I'm pretty sure this is normally a 1, but it's like 1.5, almost 2.
Nice football.
Woo! Never gets old. Shh, buddy, chill. Buddy, chill. Ooh, came off. He's barely hooked. It was all pressure. He wasn't even hooked. It was only pressure. Oh no, it's stink. Chill out. Cool it. He swallowed that. Oh my god. Pops off just like that. I'm sorry.
Look at this hole.
Cause you're doing it the other way. I just told you to hook set because I was trying to grab the reel so I can beat a drag manually. But then when you hook set, it came out of my hand.
God damn it.
Yeah, that's pretty funny. You're on? Yeah, you're on. Oh, baby.
Why did you fight so hard in your line, on your reel, dude? Why is your reel so...
Hey, that's a nice one.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, we need the rod. Oh, it's a hog. Yo. Dude, there's so many minnows where I just casted. Oh my goodness. Dude, wait, calm down. The rod's gonna break. Oh, yeah, baby. That's a hog. Let me see. Dude, show me that fish right there. It's kind of skinny, but
It's skinny, but it's
nonetheless a freaking hog.
Oh. Let's go, boy.
You gonna go?